Hello everybody, today in this video I'll show you how to half swipe on Snapchat. Now this method works for Android and iPhone, so let's jump right into it. First we go ahead and open Snapchat, and then from there tap on the chats on the bottom right here. Find the conversation that you want to half swipe. For me this is the one that I want to half swipe. All you need to do is to drag from the profile icon of the person that you want to half swipe, just like I'm doing here, half swipe, and don't release, just take a peek on the message. Now you can see, I can see the message right here, and I can just drag my finger back to where I began, and they will not be notified, or they won't see that I have seen the conversation, and it will remain unread. And that's how we do it, guys. Let's try for a couple more chats. You can see I can do that many times. Just don't release once you drag for the first time. Just drag it back and then release. And that's how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one. And thanks for watching.